right, guys, a lot of talk about the stadium tour starts underway in less than a month's time, but as I'm sure many of you have heard the bad news, Vince Neil has COVID-19 and as a result has to rest and take care of his voice and get stronger and better. But a lot of websites are reporting that Creed's former frontman Scott Stapp has been tapped by the crew, meaning probably Nikki Sixx and Tommy Lee at this point, to replace Vince. And so a lot of talk is taking place on the various Facebook groups, Reddit, subreddits, also on social media, different apps. People are starting to speculate if Mick was potentially fired or quit or something in between, and now Vince is going to be replaced by Scott Stapp, then the reunion tour is going to be half of Motley Crue. You're going to have Tommy, you're going to have Nikki, so you're going to have that rhythm section, but you're not going to have your original guitar player. You're not going to have your original singer. And I don't know if people are willing to fork out the kind of money that's required to go and see Motley co-headlining with Def Leppard internationally. You know what I mean? When in reality, you're getting half of the band. So, you know, and I know everybody's going to say, oh, that's not true. You don't know what you're talking about. Well, you know, we still don't know for sure if Mick quit. And we right now don't know for sure if even Vince is going to be singing. So who knows? I mean, could you imagine a Motley Crue with Scott Stapp on vocals, John Five on guitars, Nikki on bass, and then Tommy on drums? And you know, with Tommy, it's just a question of time until he gets bored again and he'll leave too. And what's that going to be? Motley Crue with one original member, the bass player, no less. I mean, it's going to be like kind of like going to watch Rat with only Juan up there, which did happen. They call it Juan Crucier's Rat Experience or whatever they call it. But come on, I mean, and at least Juan is a singer. Nikki can't sing shit. So the reality of the matter is you're going to go up there to watch Nikki play bass and Tommy hit the drums. You're going to pay that kind of money, the kind of money you'd pay to see Mick and Vince and Tommy and Nikki. You're going to pay just to see Nikki and Tommy with a replacement guitarist and a replacement singer next to Def Leppard, full original lineup or as full as it can be. I don't know. I'm not paying that, but maybe you are.